The market is running with the bulls. It's Tuesday, April 19th, 2022, 3:12. The market is running. What are you doing? Were you shorting yesterday? Were you buying a bunch of puts? Were you getting negative on the markets? Were you subscribing to those market crashers? You know, folks, we do not give out the fish. We don't. We are a mentoring site. We teach mature persons how we go about trading the markets each and every day. We don't get it right all the time, but we get enough right. And we post for our monthly members as well as our annual members a little nightly video. We try to get it posted by 9 p.m. We try. Especially going forward. Sometimes it was more like midnight. I'm going to try to get these nightly videos in by 9 p.m. And during the week, we're going to try to keep them relatively short, so they're full of salient, actionable information so that you can incorporate this information from objective and consistent algos that we have written to affect a positive outcome. How's that for you? So what does it look and sound like? By the way, on Sunday, we take the whole weekend view, and at the end of the month, if it's a end of the month, the whole monthly view. And that video is usually about an hour, no more than. So let me give you a sample, but let me remind you. So this was posted last night, and you're going to get a chance to hear it. Got the volume nice and loud. But let me remind you, we buy and sell all the time. We don't get the very low, we don't get the very high. But there's one very expensive commodity that you can't buy or sell. It's priceless, actually. It's time. And I'm not interested in wasting my time with anyone at all. I hope you're not interested in wasting yours. We all have families and interests and things we want to do. Trading in the markets for us is a passion. We love it. It's empowering. It's fun. It's all of those things. It's very satisfying. But it's also a business. A business. We make it look like fun. It is fun. But don't take it all the whimsical name, stock market caddy, swing machine. Don't interpret that in any way other than being or perceiving us to be very serious about what we do, because we are. I do not want to waste the time of our members. Their time is very valuable. And we try to do everything we can to make sure that we respect that time, respect what it is they're trying to do, and get them pertinent information. This is what we had to say last night. These nightly videos that we show our members on an ongoing basis are meant not to just hand out fish. We're not. That isn't what we're about. We're trying to show how we use our algos in a very dynamic marketplace and as the market ebbs and flows. And the market is not always the same. And it's much easier, we think, to learn when we can do this dynamically with real conditions. Anybody can come in after the move and say whatever it is they want. So that's why we wanted to show you and let you hear what we were telling our members last night. Now, if one of our members heard that video last night and took the 60-minute, because the 60-minute did oscillate from the signal last night, but the 60-minute 7 hours ago at 10 a.m. went long, $2,000 on the ES. On the NQ, 11 a.m., 1,800, nearly 2,000. 11 a.m. on the Russell 440, the short VIX at noon, and the YM at 10 a.m. A mini placed this morning between 11 and 10 and 12. You do the math. 2,000, 4,000, several $1,000s. I'm Bagged on at Stock Market Caddy. Again, we are not about giving out the fish. We're a mentoring site. We're teaching folks how to trade and play their own game, day in, day out. It takes time. If you have the time, if you have the passion, if you have the energy, but if you're looking for someone to give you, a host of trade setups for the next day, so you can just pick and choose, and maybe it gets done, maybe it doesn't, and you don't learn anything, that isn't us. Good luck, everybody. 813-758-8263. Bagadon. StockMarketCaddy.com.